So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. Well guys, in this video we are having with us the confirmed release date and the overall Apple's launch pattern for the upcoming Apple products. And guys, before getting started with the information, there is a sincere request that everybody watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it motivates me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. All of the credits goes to John Prosser because he has provided all of this information. Well guys, let me begin with the launch events. Apple is going to be conducting an online event in the second week of September. The tentative date is of 7th of September, and in this particular event, Apple is going to be launching the new iPad 8th generation and the Apple Watch Series 6. So both of these products are going to be launched in this event. It is going to be a press release, so it is not going to be a physical event. And guys, the pre-orders for this particular products, which is the iPad 8th generation and the Apple Watch Series 6, will start after 1 week. And guys, now let me come to the iPhone 12 event. Well guys, according to John Prosser, in week 42, or you can call it as the first or second week of October, around 12th of October, Apple is going to be launching the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 and the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Max. So both of the budget end variants will be launched around 12th of October. And guys, if you are talking about the iPhone 12 Pro lineup, then according to John Prosser, in the second week of November, Apple will launch the iPhone Pro lineup. So guys, in simple words, if you are waiting for the 5.4-inch iPhone 12, then around second week of October, you will be able to pre-order your device, and around third week of October, you can get your device in your hand. And guys, if you are talking about the Indian market, these iPhones will be available after 3 weeks. So suppose this iPhone is available around second week of October, then in India, these iPhones will come around first or second week of November. So guys, in simple words, this is pretty much the confirmed time span. Well guys, John Prosser has also tweeted one thing, that he is not at all accurate regarding all of the leaks, but he has said that he is always accurate regarding the dates. And guys, again, on 15th of April, as John Prosser said, the iPhone SE was released. So in simple words, the launch dates that you're seeing right now are pretty much confirmed. And guys, 1 week ago, Apple's CFO has also given us the statement that the upcoming iPhones will get a couple of weeks of delay. So guys, in simple words, around 12th of October, we will see the launch event for all of the iPhones. So guys, I hope that you have liked this small little video. And guys, if you want to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem and regarding smartphones, then definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.